Did you know that if you can invest £100 a month, you can actually build serious wealth? I bet you didn't know that. Anyways, welcome to my YouTube channel, everybody. My name is Nancy, and I'm your favorite internet wealth, mindset, investment coach, a wealth builder, and a money architect. And I'm here to show you how a simple way to invest £100 a month consistently can build you serious wealth over a period of time. What most people fail to do or fail to realize that wealth isn't built like that. Wealth is built with patience, consistency over a long period of time. We're in a generation or a dispensation where everybody wants everything fast. It's called the microwave generation. No, anything worth building is worth building well, and good things take time. So most times I tell people that they need to have delayed gratification and not instant gratification. So most people want to put money into something and expect the returns to come out the next year to become wealthy. If that was it, you should be wealthy now, guys, because listen, you know you've been working for years, right? You've been working for years, you've been saving for years, but you're still struggling. Why? Because nothing good like that is built over a short period of time. So now this is how you can invest step by step £100 a month, $100, 100 euros, 100 whatever currency you are, and you can build wealth. Why? Because you are investing smart, systematic, and a strategic way. We're not gambling here. We are investors. Did you know that? Let's go back. Most people think trading is going to make you wealthy. No, most traders are gamblers. I've been a trader before. I traded for 4 years in my investment journey. So I've been investing for the last 10 years. I work in investment banking, and I've been working in investment banking for the last 21 years. But I've been an active investor for 10 years. In my journey to learn how to invest the right way, I started off trading, and that's a little bit of story about me. I started off trading and I made a lot of money, but I'd also lost a lot of money. Why? Because I was gambling, essentially, figuring out, is it going to go, or it can only go two ways, up or down, and it's like 50-50, right? So data has shown us, and this is 2026, that 90% of traders actually lose money. That's a different conversation for another day. But did you know that 100% of smart investors make money? So it's easy to choose. Do I want to be a gambler, 90% of people losing money, or do I want to sit on the table where 100% of people that invest the smart way patiently will make money and build wealth over a period of time? And this is why I've been an investor for 10 years. So I've seen the good, the bad, the ugly. I've seen different market conditions. I've seen wars. I've heard rumors of wars. Geopolitical problems. I've seen it all in the market. But guess what? For every time the market has crashed, the stock market has recovered 100% of the time. So why do I want to gamble with my wealth? Anyways, this is how step by step to invest £100 a month, or dollars or euros, and I'll show you how you can build wealth by doing this consistently. Now, the first thing anybody should ever do once you embark on an investment journey is ask myself, why do I want to do this? Nancy, why do you want to really, really do this? So I'm young, I'm in my 40s, but I have about 20 something years in the market, or before I retire. Okay. So if right now I'm seeing that I'm working and I'm saving, and I've been working for the last 21 years, and even if I look at my savings right now, I ask myself, this amount in my savings account, can it last me another 21 years? No, it can't. To be honest, it can't. I don't think I have more than 1 year worth of expenses in my account. So that means if I stop working today, I'll be fine for just 1 year. The math is not mathing. So I need to do something else. So if what I have in my savings cannot last me for 21 years, then I need to do something about it, and just shows that savings cannot make me rich. All right, so this is how I'll start. I'm going to ask myself, why do I want to do this in the first place? Why? What is my why? I want to invest because, one, I want to be financially free. I want to be financially independent. I'm investing for my retirement because whether we like it or not, guys, we are going to retire someday. Now you're going to ask yourself, have I set a plan in place that would help me post my retirement? Now, if you haven't or don't have any money stashed away somewhere in an investment, you cannot retire. Why? Because your bills do not stop because you have retired. It's not possible. Your bills will not stop because you have retired. So this should tell you that you need to do something else and do it quick. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time to start investing is today. So because I'm an investment coach and I see people and I've talked to thousands of people about investing, one thing they always say is, I wish I'd started earlier. Now, you don't want that to be your testimony. Oh, I wish I started last year. Oh, I wish I started earlier. No, everybody says that, but that's when they realize that, oh my God, my money could have been working for me and harder for me. But now I've left it too late. And this is the reality of most people. So you must ask yourself, why do I want to do this in the first place? Okay. Now, the next thing you should do is research or open a brokerage account. What is a brokerage account, Coach Nancy? A brokerage account is an account that facilitates the buying and the selling of these investments. Okay. So if you're here in the UK, a great brokerage account that I use and I've told hundreds of people to invest through is Trading 212. I like Trading 212 because it offers commission-free investing, and you have loads of bonds, stocks, equities, ETFs, REITs, so many types of assets you can invest in. Or it's like a one-stop shop. So Trading 212 is good. But there's other ones like Hargraves Lansdown, there's Moneybox, there's Vanguard, and the list goes on. And that is for us here in the UK. Now, if you're in the USA, Fidelity is great, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, and the list goes on. If you're in Canada, Quest Trade, Wealth Simple. If you're in Nigeria or Africa, Bamboo, Trove, or Interactive Brokers. So those are some brokerage accounts you can open to start your investment journey today. Now, the next step will be what to invest in. Now that we know that we can open a brokerage account, now what do we invest in? The next thing I'll be investing in, guys, listen, will be ETFs. It's just a smarter way to invest, guys. A simple S&P 500 fund can give us a 10% return on investment. Now, you're not exposing yourself to too much risk by going to gamble by investing in individual companies. As beginner investors, I will sit down investing in ETFs. They are passively managed, they're lower fees, and they give us great returns, market-based returns every single year. So the S&P 500 is an example of an ETF. That is not financial advice, but this is something I would consider investing in. Okay. And the next thing I'll consider investing in is REITs. Come on. I love REITs so much. Why? Because it just makes me feel rich. It makes me feel wealthy because REITs pay us dividends every single month, regardless of what the market is doing. So we get exposure into the real estate market by investing in REITs, and we get dividends every month. Some REITs pay quarterly and some REITs pay every 6 months. But some of my REITs pay every month. So it gives me an extra income stream. So now if you're listening to me and you only have one income stream as your main income stream, which is your job, investing in REITs will give you exposure into the real estate market. The entry criteria is lower, means you don't need a deposit to purchase REITs. You don't need to manage tenants. You don't need to manage the property, but you get all the benefits. Why? You get dividends every month. So I would invest in REITs. So listen, guys, just logically, having exposure into the equities market through funds and into the real estate market, these are two different asset classes. Okay, already gives you balance and diversification. These are the two keywords you want to be hearing as new beginner investors. You want to reduce your risk and you want to balance and diversify your portfolio. So this is how I would step by step start my investment journey today. And listen, guys, do not just invest once. It will be great to dollar cost average into the market. It means that at every price point you are investing every single month. It's just a good practice. The same way you pay your bills every month, I need you to pay yourself first every single month by investing for your future. £100 a month split this way, £60 into your ETFs and £40 into your REITs. Do this month in, month out, and you will get dividends from your REITs plus capital appreciation. But from your ETFs, you get a lot of growth and a little dividends. So just see that this is going to be working for you easily without stress. Most people, £100 is their coffee budget for the month. £100 is nails budget for the month, probably my nails budget for my month. Do you understand? So by putting that for my future, I know that my money will be working harder for me than sitting in a savings account giving me 1% a year, whilst my investment can be giving me 10% a year. This is a quick, easy, simple strategy that I would recommend for most all beginner investors to start their investment journey today, consistently, and set up automated payments so that you take out the procrastination from it. You just set it up, leave it, and let it do what it got to do. Almost like a direct debit, set every single month, and come back in a few years and say, wow, Coach Nancy, I'm so thankful I came across that video. Whenever you come across this video, and you'll be so thankful that you did. So now your retirement is secure. You don't have to go back to work. I heard a story recently about a 72-year-old lady that got hit by someone she was caring for. She's a nurse. And what is my 72-year-old mom doing working? Why? She's retired at 66. She should be resting. What are you doing working at 72? Now, because people don't have options, they have to go back. Why? Because they didn't plan for this. So now that you're listening to me, you have an opportunity to start planning for your future by investing today. Okay? All right. If you like this kind of content, click subscribe, share, and like this video, and see you on the next one. But before then, I hope you've opened your brokerage account and start exploring your investment. See you on the next one.